got the tall trees and the skies above, every tiny critter, all the ones we love. He's got the oceans wide and the mountains grand, all of it tenderly held within his hand. He's got the whole world nestled where we stand, each heart, each soul in his gentle hand. No matter who you are or where you land, he's got the whole world in his hand. From the bustling city to the quiet field, every single heart he can heal and shield. From the laughter of children to the cries of the lost, he holds us all no matter the cost. He's got the whole world nestled where we stand, each heart, each soul in his gentle hand. No matter who you are or where you land, he's got the whole world in his hand. Through the stormy night or the bright clear day, he watches over us in every kind of way. He's the light that guides us through the darkest land, with the promise of love that will always stand. He's got the whole world nestled where we stand, each heart, each soul in his gentle hand. No matter who you are or where you land, he's got the whole